it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Inc. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a quick haul video of some new Mintay items that I picked up from A Cherry on Top. So I got 3 of the collections. I kept it pretty simple. So I have 2 of the 6x6 paper pads. This is the City of Love collection. This one, there are 24 double-sided sheets in them. They're very, very pretty. So these are just cut aparts, and then you have, these are really cute. I like the patterns. They're kind of vintage looking, but very, very pretty. So that will probably make a perfect cover. Oh, but that one's really cute too. So they're very pink, kind of Parisian. They're just very much in time for Valentine's Day, which I totally missed, but they're very pretty, very feminine. And so I have the 2 6x6 paper pads for that, so that's 48 papers. And then I also got the die cuts that go with it. So these are all the different ones that you get. So you get some words and some florals and whatnot. So they're very cute. They're a thicker paper, so they're not super thin. They are well cut, as you can kind of tell there. They're really well cut, and they go with the papers very, very well. And then also along the love theme, I also got the 2 6x6 pads for the Yes I Do, which is more kind of wedding themed. So again, very kind of vintagey, shabby chic kind of look. But they're very, very, very pretty papers. So they're very soft and feminine, but they're gorgeous papers. So I am looking forward to figuring out what I'm going to do with these, because these papers will really make a very gorgeous wedding album. So that's that. And then of course I also got the die cuts to go with that. So you have a Mr. and Mrs. wedding, our wedding. You got some wood hearts and some lockets, and then of course, you know, suit and dress and bouquets and a wedding cake and rings. You gotta have the rings. And then the last one that I got was this Mamarazzi. It's also 6x6, so there's 24 in each pad. This one is just a lot more fun. So you've cut aparts, and then they're kind of perfect for general photos. So very pretty. You got some, you know, pretty like sunshiny yellows and pinks and kind of minty greens, and you got lots of like cameras and photo reels and films and lenses, but you've also got it mixed in with some nice florals. That these are cut aparts, and you got a phone here. So lots of spaces. You could have journaling pages, you can, you know, have photo pages. So these are really, really pretty papers as well. Just different theme. And then to go with it, I also got the die cuts as well. So these are what you get. So you've got some like vintage style cameras, you've got some newer cameras, you've got some phones, you've got lenses, some flowers, hearts, film reels. So that's really, really cute. So not sure what I'm going to do with those ones yet, but that is my latest my latest purchase to add to my collection. So I will probably be doing another giveaway sometime soon with some of my other products that I have lost interest in or haven't found a use for yet. So stay tuned for those. As always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.